Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Rachel. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. I am doing a week in my life video right now. This is like moving edition part 1, I guess you can say, because I'm about to go out with my mom and look at a house because my mom wants to move because our house is not practical anymore. Last year we moved into this house, and at the time my mom thought it was a really good fit for our family, but it's just been a lot of chaos and hectic and bullshit, so love that. But we're gonna go look at a house in a little bit. In like 20 minutes we're about to leave, and then if we like this house, then I'm gonna have to pack up my room because I'm going to Toronto in 2 days from now, and I'll be gone for a few weeks. And if my mom gets this house, then she probably will be moving in that time, and I really don't want my family going through my stuff and packing for me. Anyways, a long intro, but I just wanted to let you know what this video is gonna be. So I'm gonna eat something real quick, and then we're gonna head out and go look at the house, and I'll try and get footage on my phone of the house for you guys so you can see it. But yeah, so I'll talk to you guys in the car or at the house or something. Hey guys, so it's a while later now. It is 12:38 and now I'm here home packing because we did like the house a lot. So yeah, we just have to fill out the application and stuff and wait for like approval and stuff, so we'll see. But we really did like the house, so we're gonna try and move in there, and we'll find out I guess in a few days. But since I'm leaving, I have to pack, like I said, so my family doesn't have to do it for me while I'm gone. So that's what's happening right now. So I just finished packing my suitcase for Toronto, so this is all done. So I have to pack the rest of my room now, and it's a mess trying to pack, so this sucks. Hey guys, so it's a bit later. It is now 1:24 and I've been packing for the last little bit, so I want to show you guys like my process. So right here I just packed my first box. I have like desk supplies and like cables and batteries and all that like junk shit, you know, just in here. And all the boxes I'm gonna line up across my bed here, and in the corner I have all the empty boxes that I'm gonna use to pack, and if it gets too full by my bed, I'm gonna stack some here. So I have 4 more boxes and then I'll be out. So but when my mom gets home, we're gonna run out and get more boxes. So now I have my next box I need to pack. Look at my little kitty, is so cute. Oh, and I didn't tell you guys, she actually has a name now. This is a baby Callie, so cute. Anyways, moving on. Next thing to pack are the rest of these Alex 9 drawers. I just packed the first drawer and then my desk drawer, so I got all my makeup in here and hair stuff, and then I have like nail polish and just a bunch of shit. Like there's a hair cap right there, and I need to do the lid. That's disgusting. But yes, so that's what I'm gonna be working on, putting in that box there. But I packed one box and I literally want to die, and I have to pack my whole room in the next 2 days, so this should be fun. But I'm gonna get back to packing and wanting to kill myself. Hey guys, so it's the next day now, and this vlog's all over the place. I'm sorry, my life is crazy right now. I go to Toronto tomorrow, which is Thursday. It's currently 4:45 right now, and I am packing right now. Oh my god, my closet is looking like that, and I have a bunch of shit packed in the corner over there. Can you guys see? I don't know, but I went to the mall and I want to show you guys a couple of things that I got just real quick because I have to pack all this shit anyways, so thought I'd show you. So first, I got this necklace from Ardeen. Wow, I hate that store, but I saw this because my sister was looking and I love it. It made me think of my childhood and I'm like, I have to get it. It was literally like $5, so I don't know what type of necklace this is, but I'm sure you guys have seen these. And then also at Garage, I got this new scrunchie. It's just a gray one. I get every time I go in there, if they have new colors, I try and get them because I love scrunchies and that's all I wear. Anyways, now moving on to the rest of the stuff. At Urban Planet, they had 50% off all their shirts, so I got this one just to like lounge in, and it's perfect for summer. And it looks like this, and it says Babe on it with like the cross wire, and it's so cute. I love it. And this was literally like $5, like I said, so got that. And then next at Forever 21, I got this shirt, which is so cute. It looks like this. It's red and it's like crop top, and this is really popular right now. So yes, I got this shirt, and this was like $14, I think. And then the last thing is from Bath & Body Works because they're having their semi-annual sale. I'm gonna check out more of it in Toronto, same with Victoria's Secret, but I had to get a candle just because I'm obsessed with candles. And this one is Summer Boardwalk, and it smells fucking amazing. It smells like caramel corn and like sand and like happiness and not being fucking depressed. Anyways, it smells fucking good. So that's all I got at the mall. Just want to show you guys real quick, but I need to finish packing. Your girl is fucking stressed to the max. But anyways, I'm gonna go. Gotta keep packing. Hey guys, so update is now 5:35 and I just finished packing up for the most part. Sorry that my face is red. It's because I'm hot and sweaty, fucking disgusting, but I'll show you guys my progress. So right here is my desk. This is just all the last minute stuff that I haven't packed. A couple of sweaters in case I want to bring one tomorrow with me to Toronto. And then like my lights, glasses, and then like some random stuff, and then a comforter that I need to pack. And then over here are all my boxes. There's Wilson laying on it. So cute, huh? So those are all my boxes there. There's about, I'd say 8 boxes here filled with like random stuff. Some of it has clothes that I had to wrap like fragile things in. But yeah, so I have that. And then over here's the kitty thing. This is my suitcase and stuff that I'm bringing to Toronto with me. Right there. There's my bed. I need to clean up over there. There's like garbage and stuff. And then my closet. Ha ha ha. This is what we're working with. It's empty. Well, actually, I'm a fucking idiot. No, it's not. It's full of shit, actually. But I have everything packed up. I have most of my clothes in all these garbage bags. I have a lot, I'm realizing now. So this is kind of embarrassing. I have my hamper with a bag that ripped, and then sweaters in there. My mom said don't put them in a bag, just keep it like that. And then these are my closet shelves, and then this has like socks and underwears and bathing suits and stuff, and I just taped it shut because I didn't feel like packing this stuff. So yeah, that's what it looks like. My closet is all empty now, and I gotta take the mirror off my door here and put it in the closet. But me and my mom are gonna go head out to do a paint night with her friend. So we're gonna go do that. We might stop at the thrift store. We'll see, but I just wanted to give you guys an update. I am very exhausted. I want to treat myself to ice cream, even though I treated myself yesterday to an ice cream after I packed half my room. Tonight I want another ice cream, so we'll see if that happens or not.